Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Enable developer options and USB debugging, install ADB, and connect the device. Once connected, run a DB devices to verify. Next, open Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Permissions for the troubled app to see which permission is denied. While you look, capture a short log with a DB logcat to see the permission failure trace. This shows whether it's a runtime request, a manifest omission, or a file system permission issue. Now you're ready to fix it. Now you modify the app, add missing permissions to Android manifest. XML so the system knows the intent. Once the manifest is correct, implement runtime requests for dangerous permissions using request permissions, and check activity compat. Check self-permission. First, use should show request permission rationale. To show context when a user previously denied, this prevents permanent denial confusion. If the app targets newer SDKs, ensure permission strings match exactly. After code changes, rebuild and test. Check a DB logcat again to confirm the request flow succeeded. Finish by resolving device level or file access problems. If you need access to app files while debugging, use a DB shell run as package or, on emulators or rooted devices, a DB root and adjust file permissions with chmod. If permissions behave oddly, reset them via Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Permissions, or use a DB shell PM revoke/grant or uninstall and reinstall the app to clear state. Make sure to retest every path. Tip: if users report persistent denial, ask them to long press the app, choose permissions, and grant manually before escalating.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.